Hello everyone, let me walk you through the demo of Odoo Google Tag Consent Manager in Odoo by BrowseInfo. This application helps you enable businesses to manage user consent for Google Tag tracking directly within their Odoo website. This app ensures compliance with data privacy regulations like GDPR by allowing users to control when and how tracking scripts are activated. With customizable consent options and integration with Odoo Cookie Bar, it gives user transparency and businesses control, ensuring analytic and marketing tags are only triggered when proper consent is obtained. So first of all, we will go into the website module. Open that, and here we will go into the configuration and in setting. Here under privacy you will find a boolean for cookie bar. Enable that, and under that you can see a boolean for block tracking third party service. Now under consent manager you can see we have selected none yet. Now we are going to enable the enable Google consent mode, and under that you will find two checkbox. One is for add data redaction and the other one is for URL pass-through. Enable both the booleans. After that we are going to enable the Google Tag Manager checkbox. Enable that and add your container ID under that. Now after all the data, just save your configuration. Now here you can see your configuration is saved. Now under configuration only, we are going into the Google consent mode setting and Google consent region. So first of all we will go into the region and we are going to create a new region. So here add the country. I will be adding United States as my country, and for the state I will be selecting California. And as you have added the state, you can see a code is updated according to your country and state. So save this region. Now again under configuration we will go into the Google consent mode settings. Open that, and here we are going to create a new settings. Click on new, add your website. So here I will be adding my website. Under that you can see consent mode settings. Under that you can see add storage, add user data, add personalization, analytic storage, functionality storage, personalization storage, and every toggle button. Now under additional you can add your region. This is the region we just created, and for the wait for update we are going to enter 1000. Now save this. As you have seen, I haven't enabled any toggle button. So now we are just going to log out from here, and here you can see one extension for tag hound. So open that extension. Here you can see tag hound extension. Here enable the GTM tracking, and here you can see Google Tag Manager option. So open that, and here we will go and check in data layer update. Open that, and here you can see that event data is denied. You can see add personalization, add storage, add user data, analytics storage, functionality storage, personalization storage. You can see the region, security storage, and wait for update is updated, and also you can see every event is denied in here. You can see it is not granted in here. So we will again log in into our admin, and again we will go into the website module, and under configuration we will go into the Google consent mode settings. Now we are going to enable all the toggle buttons in here. So here you can see I have enabled for add storage, user data, personalization, analytic storage, functionality storage, and personalization storage. Now after enabling all this, again we are going to log out from our session. Now again we will go into our extension tag hound, and under Google Tag Manager we will go into the data layer update here, and we are going to see the event data. Now you can see for every event data the access is granted as we have enabled all the toggle button in there. Under that you can see the region, security storage and wait for update, which we have added into our settings. Now again we are going to log in. Now we will go into the website menu. Under configuration we will go into the settings. Now under privacy in consent manager, instead of none we are going to enable Odoo cookie bar. Now we will save this and again we are going to log out from our session and we are going into, you can see here is a cookie tab under your page. Now if you click on I agree and if you again go into the tag hound under Google Tag Manager, you can see here in data layer update the event data is granted. So not only from the toggle button but also from the cookie bar you can give the access granted for every event data. And here you can see that the pass-through URL is true, which we have added true in our settings. If you have any queries about this video, you can ask them in the comment box and we will solve your queries. If you feel this video is useful to you, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.